Do you like cooking? Me too, but sometimes it's really hard to keep an organised kitchen. In this little video, I'm just going to sort of walk you around my kitchen. It's not the biggest. I live in a 2-bedroom apartment and it's all open planned. So it's very important that the goods that I do have are stored neatly and in some sort of order. And the golden rule with a decluttered life and a decluttered kitchen is put like with like. So I'm just going to walk you through my kitchen and show you how I've organised everything. So in the first cupboard here, I've got all my Tupperware stuff. I don't keep anything that's sort of, gone yellow, and I make sure all the lids are all matching and everything. And then obviously all my coffee stuff's in there and all my vitamins. And yeah, I'm a bit of a vitamin freak, so they all go in one place. At least I know where everything is. Moving on to the top level here. This is obviously my teas and coffees, but again, I've got nice jars with everything's in. And everything is in order, so I've got my mugs, teapot obviously, and then the glasses as well. The reason I'm saying this is my kind of go-to drawer, so obviously when guests arrive, or cupboard rather, when guests arrive, literally I can just go straight there and everything I need is there. Underneath, I put like with like, so glassware, all the frying pans are together and all the metal saucepans together as well. Again, it just makes it easier, and I put everything inside each other. I put the lids separately. It just makes it easier for me to find everything. I think this is the one where most people have problems with. So with food, obviously get rid of anything that's out of date, but also put like with like. So what I've done here is I've literally put all the tins together, all the oils together, all the spices. These amazing little containers from IKEA, they are just as cheap as chips and they're fantastic. I've actually labelled them up. So I've got all my spices in here from A to M and then from N to Z in there. And then these lovely jars again from IKEA. IKEA is the best at providing this kind of really simple storage solutions. So I've got these lovely jars where I put my seeds and my oats. And I like the fact as well that for my extra bits and pieces, I literally can just pull it out. So there's no kind of going to the back and not finding things. Everything is in here, so I can just lift it up and put it back. So it's pretty straightforward really there. All my glassware is together. Again, everything all in one place. Quite logical, but again, sometimes I think we can scatter things around. And then I think the one that I think a lot of people struggle with in kitchens is the lovely recipe book. I probably had at least 40 to 50 recipe books at one time, but a year ago I literally decluttered, and I now just have a very small selection of books, the ones that I absolutely love and refer to all the time. Big fan of Jamie Oliver and Gordon Ramsay, and this one by Deliciously Ella. I've kept it really, really small and tight. Of course, nowadays as well, you can easily just go online and get recipes. So literally just put in, tasty chicken pie and literally look it up. So life is a lot more streamlined now, and you just don't need as many books as you probably think you do. So just a short video. Hope you like it. My name is Tracy from The Lifestyle Concept. Helping you find inner harmony through decluttering. And if you'd like to follow me, you can follow me on Instagram or Facebook under The Lifestyle Concept Declutterer. Thank you.